preparations for me to go take this engine out. We're taking place now. I'm about to go to LA early morning. So we're gonna make that trip on the 94 and we're gonna go pick up the notch. And we're gonna go and proceed to go take out the engine from the vert and see what happens with the notch today as well. I start doing some work. And I still gotta work on this. So good project, good stuff going on. Keep it moving, keep it busy. Keep you guys updated. We out here about to go get the notch. I'm out here in this one. So yeah, here we go.
Merge onto I-5 North.
Alright, so we picked up the notch, the Foxbody mustang 88. So we're going our way home. Look at this nice scenery. Yeah, it's on the 94, you know. Guys, blasting cold.
Keep left to merge onto I-5 North.
On the radio because actually was going to sell this car, but I didn't buy it. So I was going to say that I took the radio out, but I didn't buy it, and now I haven't put it back on. There's so much stuff on it. One of these days, I need them. Anyways, I got my speaker. Yeah, but here we go. We're just going to go and keep on working today. We're going to go home right now, get the tools. We're going to have to bust a movement to put the engine in the trans today. Because it's on today. Awesome. So I got to move it. Yeah. Here we go.
In 17 miles.
So the work begins. He likes to bark sometimes. So yeah, check it out. Taking the oil out right now. So going down, about to take care of battery and stuff. Yeah, about to start unplugging things away. I went to pick up the notch, so I'm about to go receive it right now, so I have to leave right now and go see the tow truck guy. This thing looks actually pretty good. But yeah, pretty much everything I need over here for the pool and for the cut up. So let's see if we can finish this in the 7 days that we have or less. Alright, so it is coming down literally from the heaven now. Oh yeah, literally. We went for a long trip, and now it's in my hands. Finally got one of these. Look at the wheel stern, look at the wheel stern, yeah. A little bit of damage right there, it's not a big deal.